This one pot rice recipe is an amazing way that you can serve some unique rice to your family. The ingredients are simple and it's unique because we have a twist to it. So stick around until the end of the video to learn how to make this amazing rice recipe. Also, I have a few more rice recipes you can check up here or in the description box, and all the rice recipes are truly amazing. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of basmati rice. I already have mine over here ready for cooking. Also, you'll need cumin seeds, salt, cooking oil, a stock cube, and spaghetti, which I've cut into little pieces. You can double up the amounts of ingredients and make for your entire family. That is the best thing about my recipes. So let's get straight into cooking. So I'm going to place a pot, heavy bottomed pot, over high flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When your oil is hot, you're going to add in your spaghetti. Then you're going to reduce the flames to medium and toss the spaghetti into the cooking oil for around a minute or until they have a very nice golden brown color. Also, at this point, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds so that it can toast together with the spaghetti. Once your spaghetti get that awesome golden brown color and the cumin seeds are very fragrant, you're going to wash your rice around 2 times so that you can get rid of the excess starch, and then you're going to transfer your rice into the pot. And then you're going to toast your rice for around a minute so that you can get a very awesome smoky flavor to the rice. Remember, the spaghetti is already toasted, so watch over your rice as it toasts because you don't want the spaghetti to burn. While the rice is toasting, I'm going to add in my seasoning. So I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Stir in the salt as the rice is cooking. You can tell the rice is going to be very delicious just by looking at how the spaghetti is looking like. After around a minute of toasting the rice, this is how it's going to be looking. So you're going to add in 3 cups of water. Add in a stock cube. I'm using a beef seasoning cube. You can also use a vegetable seasoning cube. Stir in, and then you're going to let this cook until the water has reduced. Then you're going to reduce the flames to low and cover so that your rice can fully cook. This is an amazing way to add an amazing twist to your rice. As you have seen, the spaghetti is going to add in some color to your rice, so the rice is not going to be looking boring. The seasoning stock cube is quite optional. You can simply add in some salt and you'll be good to go. I just added in the stock cube because I want some very nice beefy flavor to my rice. After 5 minutes, you're going to check on your rice, and using a fork, you're going to fluff up your rice just like this. Rice is always my to-go pick when it comes to easy lunch or dinner ideas because it's cheap and it's very filling. So this is a very nice way to add a unique rice recipe to your meal prep, and everyone is going to enjoy. Hope you'll be trying out this easy rice recipe.